Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. If you are new, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get 2 new recipes every week. Let's get started with today's recipe. To make spicy and delicious chutney for momos, you need to put 2 cups of water in a pan. Then add 4 large tomatoes. I cut them in quarters, along with 7 dried red chilies. Put some salt as per your taste and cover and let it boil. If you want, you can deseed the red chilies before adding them in water. You can also use less spicier variety of chili like Kashmiri or Bengali red chilies. After 5 to 7 minutes on medium to high heat, when you see tomatoes are well cooked and mushy, turn off the heat. Allow the tomatoes and red chilies to cool completely before adding it to the blender. Strain out the water from the blanched tomatoes and put it in the blender, as well as the red chilies. Blend it to a fine paste like this. In a pan, heat 2 teaspoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon chopped or grated garlic in it. Saute the garlic for 25 to 30 seconds until its raw smell goes away. Then add a little less than 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Saute it for another few seconds before adding our prepared tomato chili paste. Once you pour your tomato chili paste, mix it very well with sauteed ginger garlic and let it come to a boil. When it starts boiling, let it season with some spices. First, put some salt as per your taste, along with 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavor, 1.5 teaspoon of vinegar. Mix all the spices and let it cook for another 5 minutes. As you can see, this is the perfect consistency for a momo chutney. This is not too thick, not too runny, just perfect. I am turning off the heat and letting it cool completely before serving it with our mouth-watering momos. Apart from momos, this spicy chutney also goes very well with any other pakoras, fritters, tikkis, or any other snacks. So friends, please try it at home and let me know in the comment section how it turned out. Our momo recipe is coming soon, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, make sure to turn on the bell icon to get notified for the future recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye.